Okay, so now I wanted to give you some information about the damage of the tornadoes and just some more information about the tornadoes in general. So, the tornado was ranked in EF2, and some more damage it caused was, as you can see on the screen now, it destroyed one house on Wyndham Road and killed the man that was inside, and then sent his wife via air ambulance to the Evansville hospital. I'm not sure how she's doing currently. And then, now on the screen, there's a picture of the actual tornado. There's two separate ones, but this picture, I believe, is of the larger one. Obviously, it was an EF2, and it reached max wind speeds of 120 miles per hour, had a max whip of 565 yards, and had a path length of over 9 miles. There's also another tornado that came from Daviess County. It was an EF1, and it ended in North Martin County. It had a max width of 100 yards and had a path length of more than 1.5 miles. And the video clip you saw before me talking here was some footage I recorded of the damage that I saw. Unfortunately, our neighbors across from our farm, their home was destroyed, but fortunately no one was injured at the time, so there was no one got hurt, which is thankful for that. And some trees in our property were knocked down. Of course, there was more damage than that, and this tornado happened a few months prior to when I recorded it. I believe this article I'm getting some information from, which of course I'll link in the description, was written on June 27th. I'm not entirely sure in the date, but actually I'm going to grab that date right after this and then just add it in after. So, other than that, that's most of the information. I just thought I would make a video since this is one of the few times I've actually seen like tornado damage up close. Obviously there's more damage than what I recorded, that's just what I saw. And thank you for listening. One more thing, of course, the Governor Eric Holcomb said he would send over resources to help for assessment and recovery. And yeah, after this, I'll just tell you the correct date. Okay, so the correct date was June 25th. That's when the tornadoes developed and struck. I just wanted to say this, so I thought it'd be good to probably tell you the correct date since I'm giving them for information. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.